But we begin with the latest in a KPRC2 investigation. A Brazoria County attorney accused of stealing from his clients. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Lauren Freeman.
And I'm Keith Garvin. KPRC2 has been tracking the charges against this man for months, and now we have learned that there's another similar case connected to him. What has one alleged victim concerned is the fact that he is still practicing. KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz is in Brazoria County asking questions today. And Mario, what do we know about this situation?
Well, Keith, 1 month from today, this attorney will be in court in trial, according to Brazoria County records. However, according to the state of Texas, he also, in the meantime, is still very much eligible to practice.
Since January, Mr. Rincon was arrested again for theft of elderly.
What's he doing now?
He's still an attorney.
David Patty is more than simply upset at Pearland attorney Gregory Rincon.
He took $115,000 from me back in October.
His settlement for an injury case. Patty hired Rincon to represent him and won the judgment. But paying out is a different story.
He told me first that there was a mix-up with the bank.
Patty says after that story was debunked, Rincon came up with a different story.
He said that he had accidentally overpaid another client.
Patty wasn't buying it. Investigators with the Brazoria County DA's office became aware, and Rincon was indicted with 2 felonies for cases in 2021 and 2022. A similar 2018 case involving a nearly 90-year-old woman resulted in charges in April. As for Rincon's current status, he is listed by the state bar as eligible to practice in Texas.
You have so many people in that Pearland area that don't know what's going on.
KPRC2 Investigates went by Rincon's office. The outside view has a for lease sign. But inside, office still has furniture. There's a desk, a security camera, and an image of Jesus being part of the deal process. Patty says more should be done to protect the public in cases like his.
I'm saying at least suspend his license until their investigation is concluded.
KPRC2 legal analyst Brian Weiss believes the state bar not taking action is a strategy.
Let's let the Brazoria County DA's office do the heavy lifting and the outside work. If they get a conviction or a guilty plea, we step in. We have a 2-foot putt on the 18th to tap in for the win, which in essence will mean an immediate suspension and likely possible disbarment.
Now, Rincon was running for the office of a court judge earlier this year. He lost in that race in the primary. We did reach out to his attorney with regards to these criminal matters. He did indicate that he was wondering what case we were reaching out about. We told him exactly who it was. We have yet to hear back from him. Live in Angleton, Mario Diaz, KPRC2 Investigates.